Hi boys and girls, so Miss Vitali wanted to give you some information on how she created her poster. So I have a Gmail account, I have a Google account, okay? If you do not have a Gmail email account, but if one of your parents has one, then that's fantastic. I went to google.ca, and then I clicked on the application Google Dot. I went into my Drive. Once I got into my Drive, I clicked on the New button. I'm going to let it upload here so that then we can see what's happening. So, New button. All right. So here at the bottom it says you can create a Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Slides. Well, there's the More button. If you click the More button, there is something called Google Drawings. I clicked on Google Drawings, and then this came up. It's kind of like drawings that we would have on our computers where you can add photos and stuff like that, but it's done through Google, which is really fantastic because then you could just share a link, okay? So I downloaded all the photos that I had taken from my phone, okay, onto my computer. And then afterwards, I clicked Insert. I went into Images, Insert, Images, Upload from Computer. Once you upload from computer, then you get to the area wherever you downloaded all your photos. So all the photos are here, okay? Then you're also able to insert a text box, different shapes. So I used hearts in mine, which are over here. You can use happy faces. You can put charts in. You can put a table. You can change the background color as you want. You could do different types of things on here, okay? You can add comments if you want, anything. Once you are done this, you give it a title. So let's say it's Mrs. Vitali's example. Let's just insert an image, or sorry, a shape, just to, there we go, let's add a big happy face. Boop. Okay, so once you've done that, so like I said, you can actually change the inside color of the face and stuff like that. You've done this. You've created your poster. Okay? You click on the Share button. Once you click on the Share button, this little box comes up. Okay? You click on Get Link. So you copy the link. You click back here. You go into your Shobi account. You click in the comment box. You press Kali, and then there it is. And then you'll be able to share it with me once you've created your poster. But like I said, boys and girls, if you want to create your poster differently, if you want to use paper from home, print out images, use real life pictures that you have taken previously of your family members, you guys are to be creative. If there's another application that you have, maybe you have a Mac at home and there's different formats that you can use from there, boys and girls, you are more than welcome to. Okay, so like I said, boys and girls, I told you that I was going to give you the example of how to get into Google. So here it is. I've posted it there for you. So you have nothing to worry about. So you can even click on that. And I will also upload this video there showing you how to get through the steps. Okay, so take it easy and enjoy.